I'm going to help you earn some money today because by the end of this video, you will know what a Cash App referral code is and where you can share it so that you can generate leads and earn money online. Let's show you how to do this step by step. Once you have a Cash App account, open Cash App. From the main Cash App page, click the profile icon which you can find in the top right hand corner of the app. On this page, underneath where it reads Edit Profile, you will see Invite Friends. Get £10 or $10. Click this. Once this page loads, you want to go to the share icon which is in the top right hand corner of the app next to the cross. Click this. Once here, select copy and this will copy your referral code to your mobile phone. At this point, you can begin to share your code online. So how exactly does this work? £10 for you and £10 for a friend. Invite your friend, you'll automatically get paid when they complete these steps, and this is very important about the Cash App referral code. Enter your referral code when they sign up. Now, if they sign up via your link, most of the time you will have that referral code already entered when they are entering the app for the first time. 2. Link a new debit card or bank account to their Cash App. So what they will need to do is link a bank account or a debit card to the Cash App account which they've just signed up with. Then they have to send £5 within 14 days of entering the referral code. So they just have to send £5 on the app to another Cash App user when they have signed up and within 14 days of them signing up via your code. You can also find the code of your referral link at the end of the link, and I will show you that now as I'm going to share it on my Twitter feed to show you what that looks like. And I will also show you a few places of where you can share your referral code so you can start earning today. Here we are on Twitter. I'm going to press that plus icon right now to start a new tweet on my Twitter page. From here, I'm going to hold down and then paste my link. And you will see that there is also a message. And at the end of this message, you will see the referral code that I have for my Cash App. And you can see that right there, RQSLBWQ. That is your code, that is your referral code, and it's at the end of the link. So if for whatever reason, if somebody has signed up and the code has not been automatically entered, you will know where to find your code, which is at the end of the link, but also at the end of that message there. And you can see that in this tweet. I'm also going to add the hashtag Cash App right here when I'm sharing it, because it is extremely helpful when trying to reach new users. So what you then want to do is have those conversations with people that are not a part of Cash App, let them know about that opportunity that we've just shown here in this video about how they can earn that money. Or you can refer them to this video so it can explain it for them. When you are referring them to this video, they will know all they need to know about Cash App. So I can do the talking for you as well, and that's the reason why this is an absolute great video that you should share out with other people, so it will help you along the way. So you can literally use this video as part of your referral pitch when you're signing new people up to Cash App. I'm going to tweet this now so that it goes out to those Cash App users, and that Cash App users can then find this tweet about my referral code right here. So if you want to start earning with your Cash App referral code quite quickly, one way you can do this is by starting conversations in groups like this group that you can see on Facebook. Now this group is all about referral links that pay. Now of course the referral link for Cash App pays, and you know how this works now. So you can start conversations, and don't forget to check the rules of the group before you start sharing. So there will be rules of the Facebook group before you start sharing, and some of those rules may include not sharing links. Even though this says referral links, do check the rules when you are joining these groups, because sometimes there is a stipulation that you might miss. And what I mean by stipulation is there might be a rule in place in that group before you start sharing. So you might have to interact with people in the group first. There might be a rule that you need to do. This will help you when you are sharing your referral link so that it can actually reach people, as opposed to it being blocked by the moderators of the group. And you can also share your code as opposed to the link. So if there are some rules, you can share your code to Cash App so that when people are signing up, they can get rewarded when signing up, as opposed to just signing up cold without earning that money. So that code that I've shared earlier on in this video, you will be able to enter if you're a new Cash App user in order to earn that referral reward when you're sending your first £5 with the app. So do let people know this as well. Another place where you can share those referral links is going to be WhatsApp. Now you can start conversations on WhatsApp with people, and there may be some users that are not yet signed up to Cash App. So if you're in a WhatsApp group, or you've just joined a WhatsApp group about earning money online, or maybe talking about referral codes, then you will be able to share your Cash App referral code in a WhatsApp conversation. If you're a blogger or you've done any online blogging before in the past, you can also use a website called Blogger. Now, what this enables you to do is write a short paragraph or maybe a short article letting people know about Cash App, and then you can use your link in that blog. So when your blog is getting views, you're then getting leads, and that could lead to that Cash App referral as a result. So if you blog about Cash App, I mean, you already have a start of a blog with that post earlier on that you've just seen in my Twitter feed. That will basically populate, and you will be able to copy and paste that from your tweet that you have made by copying and pasting that link, because the link happens to have a description with it. And that can be part of your blog on Blogger, which is then converting to leads for Cash App so you can earn those referrals. Tumblr is another way that you can share a blog that can then generate leads for you and then convert into Cash App referrals. You can find and create blogs on Tumblr, and you can share your referral link. Now, it's more courteous to actually create your own blog as opposed to commenting underneath other people's posts in these places, and I encourage you to create your own posts and generate your own engagement as opposed to just literally copy and pasting your link underneath somebody else's post, because it's just not an effective way to generate yourself some leads. So you want to start a conversation with people, and you want to make it a warm, friendly invitation as opposed to something that's very cold, but you can also get your code leads as well. Tumblr is another place where you can create your posts on Cash App in order to start generating those leads, which will convert into Cash App money for you and the person that joins Cash App. LinkedIn is another place where you can create your posts, start conversations about Cash App in order to get your referral leads. Now on LinkedIn, you also have a DM as well, so you can direct message people. And I do encourage you to first have a conversation with people to see what they're interested in before you start spamming people with the link. Do not spam people with the link. It will get annoying, you will get blocked, and you will get snoozed and muted. You want to start a genuine conversation with people just to say, hey, have you ever tried Cash App? Hey, no, I haven't tried Cash App. Cool, but did you know that you can earn £10 when you follow these steps? And if you can't explain this, you then have my video which you can share with them to explain how this works. So LinkedIn is another place online where you can start those conversations with people, and LinkedIn actually encourages you to actually direct message people on the platform. So occasionally you might have a birthday for somebody that pops up, or their work anniversary that pops up, and you will have a conversation with that person. You can then ask them, hey, do you want an extra £10 in your pocket right now? Because this is the way that you can do this. Have that conversation, because it will be extremely helpful, and then they can start using Cash App for their benefit. There are many benefits to using Cash App, including this referral. So when they have joined, they will also have the ability to refer people to Cash App so they can earn in the same way. Now, Discord isn't exactly a low-hanging fruit, but if you find the right server, you might be able to find a Discord server that is actually beneficial to your referral codes. Now, you can try to find people who want to earn quick money online, and you can try in those servers. But although it's kind of like a stretch, there may be an opportunity for you on Discord, because you're having conversations with people who are interested in specific subjects, and that is what you want to do. You want to find people who are interested in subjects that relate to your referral code and earning that quick money online. Once you do this, you can then share your link with that person after having that conversation, generate the conversation, have the conversation, see if somebody's actually interested in it first, and do not bug somebody. Once they're not interested, you can say, cool, well, you're not interested, so I'm just just going to go elsewhere with the referral link. But thank you for the conversation today. Just happy to talk to you and just have an interaction with you. Or what? Just be honest. Being honest goes a very, very long way, because someone will know that you're genuine when you're being honest with them, as opposed to being very, very sales pitchy and just being icky. You don't want to be icky and sales pitchy. You want to be more authentic to who you are and what you're doing, and you can literally explain why you want people to join Cash App via your referral code. You can be like, I need the money myself as well, so that's the reason why I'm engaging with you and getting you to join Cash App so that we can both earn, because you will also be helping me earn as well. So just think about that when you're having those conversations with people online, and it really goes a long way to be honest and authentic when you're doing this as well. Appreciate my effort here and what I'm doing for you to help you earn some money online. Smash that thumbs up button right here so the algorithm knows what I'm doing and knows that you want more videos like this. It's extremely important for you to do that. That engagement is going to help you find more helpful videos like this. It also helps the community know that this is a valuable video, as opposed to something that's trying to just scam and finesse people out of their time. I don't want to scam and finesse people out of their time. I want to help you, and that is why I've decided to make this video today, to help you earn some quick money online and to help you. Don't forget, there's more where this came from, and you can find that in my online money playlist. My online money playlist is where you can find more content like this on Cash App and other online money services. I've made plenty of videos in there, and there's more that I'm always constantly adding to it. Well worth checking out. You should see some of that content on screen right now. I'm also going to help you with your video editing and a lot more. There's more to come right here from Anthony Allen. That's me. This is my channel. Come along, subscribe if you want some more. You don't have to have notifications turned on, but you can occasionally come back here and check those playlists. That is why that subscription can be helpful, but it's also well worth looking through those playlists so you can find the content that's right for you, as opposed to being notified about content that might not be for you on this channel, because I upload a large variety. With that said, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.